Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's another gorgeous day here on the allotment. It said it's going to get bad this weekend, so I'm just going to try and start this. This is my no dig border. Well, all these posts to take out first. It's had some cabbages in last year, or cauliflower, something like that. And the pigeons are really bad around here, so looks like they protected it, but not enough. Because look, there's hardly anything left of them. So what I'll do, take these posts off, get rid of these bricks, and get my container. Just weed these on the top, get everything up, like so, and then just give it a light rake over when it's done. So I'll get cracking with this, and I'll just take a little bit of video every time I've done a little bit more, so a bit of a time lapse. So yeah, I'll get cracking, so I'll speak to you soon. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are at the bottom of the allotment. We've got some lovely rhubarb there. Some, I'm not sure what these are. Anyway, let's just have a look, see what we've done. We've still got all this to do yet. All this up to that pear tree there, a plum tree I think it is. So yeah, up to where the posts stand up there. 1, 2. But as you can see, I have been cracking on. I have got probably halfway down one side done, so just another 3/4 to do. This shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, this is what I've done today, pleasing myself. This is what I've done the days before, so happy sowing, happy growing. Please myself today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And remember folks, stay safe. Thank you, bye.